say hi and thanks for coming. This is our 87th meeting, and I wanted to let you know I did transcribe the meeting notes last week, and so here's the action board here, but I put here that Riff came and did the presentation on the draft proposal of the pipeline packet flow update. So I went ahead and transcribed that and listened to the call and took little snips of the slides here just so that people could see what we were talking about, and then a little bit of discussion at the end. So that was last week's call, if anybody missed it. And then the links are here. So that's what we did last week. And then we had quite a few updates on different work items here. Can you guys, do I need to make this bigger? The project board, can you see it okay?
I can see it on my big screen, but I don't know others.
Okay.
Shows fine on my side.
It's fine? Okay, cool. Yeah. So so we were able to close out a couple of these last week. I just marked those as done this week, and then I just change them to done. And now they're done so we can move forward. And these are the ones that we have open. So I may close this clarifying scale and routes out because I don't remember exactly what I'm supposed to do here. I think I needed to break these down into inbound versus outbound routes. And I think the Intel team was the one who requested this. And so we have cross-checked the testing document against the scale document, make sure all the numbers matched, but needing the inbound versus outbound numbers of routes. Trying to remember, Intel team, why exactly did we need this? Was it for memory sizing, or?
No, I'm not sure. Oh, was it opened by Intel? I think the outbound and inbound routes are specified clearly if you just look below, right? So
yeah, well, we have the number of routes, but not specific inbound and outbound. So I was supposed to.
No, if you look at the table, right, it says outbound routes per ENI 100K and inbound routes per ENI 10K. So
so that we're good on this one then. Okay.
So I'm not sure why this was asked.
Okay.
So.
All right, great. And then I guess
One second. So the item is good to be closed. I'm okay with that. But there are still remaining a question also, I think, from Intel. IPv4 versus IPv6 is not.
Oh, that's right.
It's not as part of this. This is for routes, so this can be closed. But I remember there was a question about IPv4 versus IPv6. I don't know if there is a ticket open for that also.
Yeah, I remember that, and they wanted to know, could we guess, how many would be V4 versus V6, because we don't know what our customers are going to do necessarily. And so actually maybe I could go to the SDN team and check, but I think that Michael Zygmunt's comment, and I think Pranjal is on the call, maybe he could make a comment, was if we could make it configurable. Is Pranjal on the call? No, I don't see him anymore. I thought I saw him earlier. But yeah, when I talked to Michael, of course, he said, well, if we don't know, then it'd be nice to make it so that we could choose or configure that. So, but I can go back to him.
Yeah, I think it will be good to also capture that response from him in the comment, and then we can probably close it. So at least it's documented.
I think I had another issue for the V4 versus V6. I can go back and look for that one. So, okay, I'll do that, Mircha. So this one here, Saimena Autolipsai. I looked at this morning, and it looked like Camille had mentioned that some work needs to be done here to bring us closer to this Open Compute Psi PR here. And that was last week. Is that still the case, Camille?
Hi guys, can you hear me?
Yeah.
I don't remember which one was that. Oh yeah, that I think already merged on the Psi repo and also on the Dash. So I think right now Psi server is already using lib Psi metadata as shared library. So I think we can also start using metadata in the libsci itself for like better debugging. So I can add some like more detailed like debug messages and error messages in the current libsci. So for example, instead of getting just number ID from the attribute that is not supported, we will get the full name of the attribute.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So maybe we can consider this one closed.
Yeah, this we can consider that closed. Yeah.
Okay, thanks. And let's do close. Thanks very much. And Syed. Okay. So here on this one, Camille, you're waiting for Sci headers dash to match the Sci repo headers.
Hello? Yeah, so I think we discussed this, that there is like this limitation on the BMV2 that it cannot support the list attribute. So I think the latest Sci headers are matching the one that is in the dash repo, except those lists. So in the Sci repo, list attribute is used, and in the dash single attribute is used, single instance.
Okay. So just keep this one open.
So I think it's probably not up to me, because I'm not sure if that's BMV2 limitation, whether that will be whether it can be overcome, or this is like a hard issue that it can never be solved. So I don't have enough knowledge to figure this out.
Okay. Thanks. And this one here, we needed a. I was wondering, Marin, did you have a second to look at this one about the code generated in libsci?
No, I still have a bunch of pull requests that I'm working on.
Okay, all right. Okay, I'll put that in there. And I've got this one, add private link mapping. Did we need a review on this? Chris had mentioned this had a clean run. We just weren't sure if this needed a review, or are we just waiting for privately? Did you want us to do anything, Marian?
It needs a review from Prince. He was the author of SONiC design.
Oh, okay. So maybe I'll put him as a reviewer here. Prince, could anyone else do it other than you if you get busy?
Yeah, I think maybe we can add Riff also to the reviewing.
Okay.
List. Yeah.
Sounds good. I think he's out today, but I will, what is his? 1R, no, R1. Yeah, there he is. Okay, thanks, Marian. So I'll just put a note. Oh, I forgot where the close button is. Oh, God. Okay. There we go. And, oh, Camille. Okay. Oh, we're going to close this. Okay.
Yeah, this can
I've
be
got
closed.
this one. Yeah, I've got this one.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I did go through these, but I didn't go through yesterday. So I'll go ahead and do it right now. Thanks. And Intel, how was this one looking then? So there were some lobbying for enhancements in the P4 group. We were going to wait a couple of weeks, I think. I don't know if Andy's on the call, but Ashutosh, did you happen to know about this one, or Santosh if you're on the call, or Macy?
Yeah, it's basically the same status.
Okay.
He's going to try to lobby this in the P4D BTK group to see if we can get some community support for it.
Okay, sounds good. Right. So then I guess I'll open it up for you guys. Did you have PRs or issues you wanted to talk about this week? I will open up there we go. I'll open up the PR queue. So we have PRs here, and it looks like we have a new one here, the DSCP setting. And I haven't checked back with Sod about this one. Marian, did you want to cover this one today, or do you want to wait?
No, still in progress. Need to fix tests, and also
okay.
I discovered one issue with that, so it still needs some work.
Cool. And then the issues queue, we just have these, which it seems we've already kind of gone through these. So I can open it up to you guys. I guess Keysight or Intel team, you guys have anything you want to talk about today?
Nothing here.
No? Okay. NVIDIA team, how about you guys?
Nothing from my sense.
No? Okay, great.
No,
Thanks.
probably next week I'll do a short presentation on this DSCP pull request.
Okay.
Nothing for this week.
Okay. And that's the DSCP marking, I assume?
Yeah, correct.
Yeah. Okay. How about the AMD team? Do you guys have anything you want me to look into or cover this next week?
I don't think anything from our side. Vijay will send you anything here.
Yeah, you guys have my email. Okay. And SONiC team, you good? We just got the one that needs review from maybe Prince or Riff. Anything else, Prince?
Yeah. I think
Rush?
nothing from my side on this week, but probably like next week we might have a PR for the private link extensions. Yeah.
Okay, thanks very much. Then it looks like I can give time back. I can stop the recording and let you guys have a break.